Assalamualaikum. This is Qazi Mohammad Afran and I am an AS level student of Media Studies. For my Media Studies portfolio, which is a movie opening, I have chosen the horror genre. At first I was planning to choose another genres like crime thriller or comedy, but then after some surveys that I did, I got to know that people are interested more in horror genres compared to genres like crime thriller and comedy. So I choose horror genre. The title of my movie is Quales. Basically, I have choose this title because I like the movie titles which has hidden meaning in them. As for my title, Quales means to come together to form one mass. And how my movie affiliates with this meaning? Well, the story is that a teenager is sitting in his terrace. He is confronted by a man who is hiding his face with his black hoodie and is holding a shovel. The teenager gets scared of him and runs away to his roof, but there he finds the same man there, and when he gets more scared, he tries to punch that man, but the man holds his hand and leaves a blood mark. And then when he attempts to kill him, the scene cuts to him waking up in a hesitated manner, and it all tells that it was just a dream. But not just that. After that, when he goes to put his phone on the table, he sees that the same blood mark on his hand which was in his dream is still on his hand in real. So that's where this movie opening of mine started. It was my first ever experience as a director. It was a very good experience for me. Nonetheless, it was just a movie opening, but still it was a whole movie for me because it was a really tough work. The all experience in my directing while guiding my friends what do they have to do, preparing for the scenes, like preparing for the blood mark and clothing, etc., and all of the shooting stuff. It all was so difficult, but we managed to do that as it was my first experience. So we have to face ups and downs. Surely it was not easy for us to shoot as it was my first time. Plus we had to face many distractions during this shooting. Like when I was shooting in a daytime, which I was challenging the conventions of a horror film. We had to face the children's playing voices and transportation voices mainly, and it distracted us a lot. For me, the most entertaining part of this movie opening was to edit it. As I said that I tried to make everything possible to fulfill the requirements of a horror movie. So during the editing, it took me much time to find suitable ambient soundtracks and sound effects to fulfill the requirements of a horror movie. And after some time, I found the most applicable and suitable sound effects and soundtracks which will suit my genre, and thus concluding my post-production. In conclusion, I really enjoyed my role as a director but it is just a start for me. Because when I was shooting the movie, it was really feeling like that we were shooting a real movie. But as I said, it's just a start for me, and I am hoping to continue this profession and to make more projects like this. Thank you.